Yeah.
Okay. So,
चलिए
So start.
Yeah, ready.
So thank you everyone. Welcome to today's press conference. Today we are gathered together for the launch of our Maharashtra specific sports league, which is a very big and a unique one. This is called Gali Mohalla Cricket League. This Gali Mohalla Cricket League, as you rightly understood, this is for the common and unprivileged and every child who's not being taken into consideration while the bigger leagues are happening. So this is for the and children, everyone. So this is gonna be on the Gali Mohalla level. It's gonna be the grassroots level we're gonna go have. Now I'll tell you about the structure. Now this league is not only a sports league. This is gonna be this is a movement we've started. So our children who are never being participated or not looked into the consideration for the bigger leagues, they will join us, and we will have approximately 500 teams from Maharashtra, that is Mumbai and nearby at the first phase. So सबसे पहले हमारा जो मैच रहेगा, I'll tell you about. और सबसे जो बड़ी बात है, there are 3-4 things which we have looked after for this conference and for the league. The number one is this is going to help the youth to drive their focus onto sports instead of any of the drugs. So this is going to be moving away from addiction. This can be alcohol, it could be drugs, it could be any kind of addiction. They're going to be focused on the sports league. Second, this is going to be a very big movement for health, for making a national health movement. So all the youth is going to be fit and fine. So that's going to be a strong point for our national health. Second, third is going to be the mental well-being for the youth, and the last is going to be a talent hunt. That means they can prove their mettle in the leagues, and they can be the next stars of India, which can be, it can be Dhoni, it can be next Kapil Dev or Sunil Gavaskar, anything. So this is going to be a platform, a national platform for them to come and prove their mettle. Now I'll just tell you about how we've designed the league. This is a league which is called, this is a turf league. So we will have 100, we've divided the 5 zones into, we will have 100 teams from every zone. So we have 4 zones in Maharashtra, which is Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, then we have Thane and Raipur. So these are the 4 zones, and we're expecting 500 total teams, even more can happen. And every team will play around 10 matches. So we will have 5,000 matches going on for next couple of months till we go to the final stage. So this is how the thing is, and this is going to be 10 overs each match, and this is going to be a tennis ball match, and there will be no uniform. This is going to be played by the common people. So we will have the way they have been playing in Gali Mohalla. This is going to be the league which is going to cater to that. Now we come to the prize. So we also have a prize money of 11 lakh rupees for the first team, and then the second runner-up is going to be 5 lakh. Not only this prize, we will have proper training programs for the next year. So for these 2 teams, and not even these 2 teams, but we will have all the players which is going to perform during the matches. If they perform their work, we will have their training programs for next 1 year in these academy, that is Pride Academy and the academy which we have already tied up with for Maharashtra specific. So this is going to be the game plan. And now we will go ahead with, okay. Now we have Ramanjeet Singh, who is the CEO of the league. He will explain a little more about it. Thank you.
भाई अपना मोबाइल प्लीज साइलेंस कर देना सब लोग।
माइक में बोलो।
साइलेंस कर दे।
माइक में बोलो।
मतलब जितने भी मोबाइल है ना भाई लोग प्लीज साइलेंस कर दो ना।
बंद ही कर दो ना।
साइलेंस कर दो।
बात नहीं करें।
Silence, please. Please.
And one more thing, sorry. Before we go ahead, we have very good news coming up. We have already tied up with Mumbai Police as a partner for the drug-free Mumbai. So we already partnered, and our inaugural match is gonna be very soon in Khar Gymkhana Club under the police partnership. So that is a big news for us. Now I'll request
17-22 this month.
Yeah. So this month is gonna be. Now, yeah. I'll request Raman.
Namaskar and good afternoon. Thank you for being here today. I stand before you not just as a CEO of a league, but as a custodian of a movement. The Gully Mohalla League is India's first largest scale structured tennis ball cricket league rooted in our streets, our gullies and our mohallas. Execution with excellence. Having scaled global business, I know operational decide outcomes. The bigger picture, India's demographic dividend. India is the youngest country in the world. But where is our global medal tally? The next Kapil, Kohli or Tendulkar is not in our stadium. They are in byline playing with broken stumps and borrowed balls. We will find them, we will back them, we will elevate them. Gratitude and commitment to my partner colleagues, Baba Inderpreet Singh, our spiritual anchor, who bring purpose to this mission, Harmeet Singh, our architect of systems and training, Aman Bandvi ji, who envision a world-class impact-driven Gully Mohalla League at scale, and to every coach, volunteer and scout on the ground. This is our league, this is India's league. It's India rising to its roots. Let's not just watch, let's invest, engage, make history together. Thank you, Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Next.
Thank you.